Hi and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Felicia here with another video. So I finally got it, y'all. My June Cocotique subscription box finally came in and I'm super excited to share with you guys what I got. So if you want to see what I got in my June Cocotique subscription box, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm not gonna hold y'all because we have a lot to cover in this box. If you are not familiar with Cocotique, it is a monthly subscription service that was founded and created by a Black woman, and the products are created and picked out for Black women. And this month, oh, I forgot to tell y'all, it's $25 a month. You also do get full-size products. So in this month's box, it is a takeover by Urban Therapy, and it's the Innate Hair Care Collection. And every month you get a bag, and this month the bag says, channel your inner beauty, love your textured hair. One of the things that I love with Cocotique is you get a cute tote bag every month. You get one of these bags every month. And so let's get into it and see what I have. So this is the card, and we're just gonna get into it. Okay, so first things first, we have a full size of Urban Therapy's Innate Hair Collection Anti-Freeze Straightening Cream. And this is a cream that you use like if you're doing a blowout or something like that. So it's almost like a heat protectant. So that's pretty cool. And let's see, I said I wasn't gonna do it. This goes for $10.99, and again, like I said, you get 8 fluid ounces. Next, I have the Fix Hold Mist. This is, it says Fix Hold Mist is a UV protective after styling hairspray designed to hold your hair shape and curls in place with added shine. And this whole mist is $10.99, and again you get 8 ounces. I want to try this because it says it has UV protective, which I think will be great for these hot summer months. I'm just trying to figure out how I would use this because it says to spray after styling. So we gonna play with that and figure it out. Next, I have the Twisted Sisters Luxurious Clarifying Shampoo. And this is 12 fluid ounces. And this is $8.99. Of course, it is free of all of the stuff. It's sulfate free. Well, that's all it says, that it's sulfate free. I thought it had other stuff. Oh yeah, paraben free, sulfate free, and all that. Yeah, so I can't wait to try this out. Again, like I said, this is $8.99 and you get 12 fluid ounces. We have the Innate Hair Care Collection Anti-Frizz Texture Cream. This is, it says Anti-Frizz Texture Cream is a styling cream for waves and curls formulated with moisturizing benefits that help to reduce air drying time. Okay, we definitely gonna try this. If this gonna help my wash and go dry faster, this might be a lick, especially when you know you trying to go somewhere and you did a wash and go and you don't have time to really wait for your hair to dry, but you don't want to go out with your hair completely wet. And this is $10.99 and you get 8 fluid ounces. And I believe, oh, I have the Instant Hydrating Conditioner. Instant Hydrating Conditioner is an after shower solution featuring complex plants and essential oil that instantly repair and protect your hair and scalp in 3 minutes or less. This is another 8 ounces and it is $10.99. So already I got 6 full-size items in my box, and I'm not even done yet. I have another full-size item, and this is the Rashima face wash. This is honey and lemon. It purifies, healing, helps clear skin. It's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory products. You get 5 ounces. And I just saw this. This is for $6.99. Let me see if I can smell it. It's sealed. I don't want to open it because I'm not going to open it just yet. But I'm thinking with honey and lemon, you can't go wrong. Honey and lemon always smells good. So we have that. Next, I have Ruby Kisses Pro Touch Glow and Bronze Cream for face and body. This is like 1 ounce, but I mean, it looked like a full-size product to me. Now, my only hiccup with Cocotique is, like this says, this is deep. So I'm guessing that this might be just a little too dark for your girl. So I will open this because I want to see. But this is this is $7.99. Oh, it's already coming out. But I'm just gonna try a little bit on my hand just to, oh yeah, oh no. This got me looking. You see that? Like this don't. I mean, it has a nice glow to it. I might, I don't know. I feel like that's, like I can't really tell. I can't tell on camera, but I can tell up close. It might be a little, and this is my hand. This is what it looked like. So we can try that. We can use it that way. This is the hand with the glow cream on it, and this is my hand. So this might, I don't know. This might be a little too deep for me. I can't really tell. And low key, when I tan, I don't tan that dark. And what I was about to say is my only hiccup or my only complaint about the Cocotique box is they don't do like a complexion quiz or something like that to get your complexion, and they send out just about everybody the same thing. So that's my only hiccup, but I'm not mad at it. I might play with it. Like I said, I'm gonna have to look in some natural light to see, like, is this really a big difference? Because I could probably use this. I wouldn't use it on my face, but I probably could use it on my legs if it doesn't go too dark for me where it just looks completely off. Or I might just share this and gift this to somebody that can use it. So that's that, but I'm not mad. I mean, it looks like it'll give you a beautiful glow. Like it'll give you a nice little bronze glow situation. So that's that. Next we have, who is this by? I thought, oh, Ruby Kisses again. This is a volumizing waterproof mascara, and this is $5.99. Now I'm gonna tell you why I'm happy about this. I have very watery eyes. My eyes are very sensitive, and so I'm always looking for waterproof mascaras because it just, you know, my eyes are always watering. And oftentimes in these subscription boxes, they don't give you waterproof things, so mascaras. So I'm happy about that. And it is a nice thick wand. I love a mascara. So I'm happy about that. We're going to try this out. And that was $5.99. I got a few more things. Next, we have a mini jade facial roller. This is by After Spa. I don't see it on here. Oh, it's a mini jade roller by After Spa, and it is $8. So that's that. It's just a little small roller, you know. Ooh, it's cool. How is it cool like that? It's cool. I like that. And then they gave a bonus item to give to a special man in your life, and it is the Underguard Refresh, perfect for active men and teens, and you get a cleansing cloth that's flushable and biodegradable. And this is So for a full size, it's $7.99. A box of 15 is $15.99. So that's that. They gave you a little extra little something, which is kind of cool to, you know, to share with the fellas. I'm just trying to figure out, like, it says underguard, and so I'm thinking like it's a personal care product. And so ladies, when we think personal care, we think, you know, our snatch and our pocketbook. So I'm wondering, is this for the fellas to get their area together? You know what I'm talking about. I don't want to say it on the YouTube. But yeah, so we're going to give this to a guy. And that is it. That is all for my Cocotique box this month. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are interested in getting your own Cocotique, I would definitely link my referral code in the description box. I definitely say support them. Try them out. It is worth your penny. You saw everything that I got in my box. And so far, I have not gotten a box where I was disappointed at. So, yes, I'm loving everything. I can't wait to try them. I'll definitely be doing a wash and go with these products for you guys. So, stay tuned for that. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and like. And I will see you in my next video. Be blessed. Bye.